Welcome to Growin Old. BuildASoil Take and Bake Artesian Soil Building Kit. So here we are, and you see all this. We were going to do an unboxing video because a lot of you out there have convinced us that we should try the living soil way to grow. What we've done is, being rookies, and we're gonna start this in the fall. But being rookies, we went ahead and we bought a kit, and it's the Take and Bake. And when it was Take and Bake, I mean that sold me right away because it kind of reminded me of Wake and Bake. But the Take and Bake Artesian Soil Building Kit. So we were going to do an unbox, and it comes in a whole bunch of boxes, but we just wanted to kind of show everybody what's in it, because then we'll use it again when we make it up a little bit later this fall. But what comes in the kit is, first, you're going to get this. It's a 100-gallon pot. And that's so you can mix up all these things together. Now, everything here we'll be using to make 9 cubic feet of living soil. So we'll use everything except for the Gila extract. That we'll only use just a little bit, depending on how much water we use to moisten our soil when we're mixing it. But the first thing we got is, this is our peat moss, and I'm figuring that the peat moss, being a rookie and I don't really know what it all is, but I'm guessing the peat moss is kind of the base of the soil and makes it up and holds everything else together. But you get 4 cubic feet of this, so I got 3 more. We've got 3 more bags sitting over there. And then the second thing is the worm castings, and this of course would be a lot of your food and everything that makes up in there. But the worm castings, you get a cubic foot of that, so you get the 1 bag of that. And then third is, this is the Oily Mountain fish compost, and this I know when I open these up, they're going to be really dark and really rich, and I think if you'll really like them. After that is the pumice. Now, the pumice we're going to use for aeration, and what I'll do, because we're going to use this fall, what we're going to do is we're going to use the tray to grows, and I'll get some more pumice, and we'll line the bottom of that pot with some pumice, and maybe we'll even put in some lava rock or something. I think Arizona Grows does that. But pumice for aeration. And we've got a cubic foot of rice hulls. Also, I believe, aeration. I keep wanting to say aeration, and I've probably said it before, but aeration. The charged biochar, that's some good stuff for our soil. Crackmas Coots nutrient kit. That's going to be good. Got us some gnarly barley. That mixes in there. We've got, I think that's 27 pounds of minerals that we'll mix in. And then the last thing, and when we're mixing it, it'll all be in this 100-gallon pot, and we'll use all of this. Except for the Gila extract, we're only going to use like a half a teaspoon per gallon of water that we spray in there, just to keep it moist and the dust down. But that's what comes in the Take and Bake Artesian Soil Building Kit. So come back in a couple of weeks, and we'll get this mixed up in this 100-gallon pot, and we'll see where we go from there. But I'd like to thank all of our subscribers. Please keep the comments coming, especially you living soil guys out there, because we're going to need some supervision. Thank you very much. and much love.